Hi, welcome to my video, and if you haven't been here before, welcome to my channel. My name is Anila. This week I'm sharing a recipe for curried lentils. It's one of my absolute favorites. I love the texture, the flavor of lentils, and this preparation is so easy and delicious. I really hope that you enjoy this recipe. You're going to need some lentils, and you can use either green or brown lentils. These have been thoroughly washed and then soaked for 30 minutes. I've even done this without soaking, so it's not absolutely necessary, but it is recommended. You're also going to need some diced onion, some finely chopped garlic. This is optional, a green chili. I like to chop mine up really fine. And then only 3 spices: ground coriander, red chili powder, powdered turmeric, or if you'd like to make this an even easier way, then you can use a spice blend. I often use Trinidadian curry powder. You can use Madras curry powder, Guyanese curry powder, or even like a Cajun blend would be really good. You're also going to need salt to taste, some vegetable oil for cooking, and water that's been recently boiled. I'm going to use my pressure cooker for this recipe because it makes everything so much easier. So heat up some oil on medium-high and look at my cooker. Guys, my mom did that. She cleaned it for me. I guess she saw one of my videos and probably took pity on me. You don't have to wait for the oil to be hot. Just go ahead, add the garlic, pepper, onion. When things start to sizzle, you'll know that the oil is hot. Push things around a little bit so that they're properly combined, and then add the spices. Combine those two, and if things look a little bit dry, you know my old trick of adding a bit of water. I didn't need to do that this time though. Then go ahead and add the lentils. Then give everything a good stir and add a little bit of salt. You don't have to add all the salt right now. Remember, you can always adjust it later. And once you have done that, add the water. I like to use boiled water because it speeds up the cooking process. I don't have to wait for things to boil inside the cooker, but you can use regular temperature water as well. Then shut the lid and allow the lentils to cook for 3 whistles. They will still need to cook on sim for another 10 minutes after that, but if you're not sure, this is what a whistle looks like. And once that's happened 3 times, switch off the heat, remove your cooker from the element, and allow the steam to escape naturally. That can take anywhere from 7 to 10 minutes, and when you open up the cooker, you will have some very delicious, creamy lentils that you can transfer into a bowl and serve on top of rice or with any type of flatbread like roti. You could even incorporate this into a pasta dish. It's so versatile and it's so delicious. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe, and I hope you loved it enough to subscribe to my channel because I post every Monday and trying to do Thursdays now as well. More lifestyle and travel stuff on the Thursdays, but food every Monday. So thank you for watching my video, supporting my channel, and spending time with me. I will see you next week with another recipe. Okay, bye-bye.